Not a single one. Never has been, never will be. That's been explicit from day one. The project stays in the market and shipping from on-chain activities, sales of 1155s, 721s, 20s, ecosystem grants, and crypto trading. That's it. No VC checks, no backroom deals, no equity dilution masked as a strategic partnership. We release monthly transparency reports, and the Treasury rarely sells Mona. And when it does, it's publicly announced ahead of time. The team also took a 0% allocation of Mona. The moment you take VC money, you are no longer building for Web3. You've already compromised any real potential for decentralization. The incentives are absolutely cooked. You're back in that same old game of exit strategies for the few and control points. And when it comes to the token in our ecosystem for clarity investment, you're not an investor. There are no investment contracts here, no guarantees of returns. The token has a purpose. You either use it or you don't. It's that simple. It's absolutely critical that anyone operating in this space understands the distinction between actual usage networks and speculative securities. If you don't, you're not just putting yourself at risk, you're helping blur the lines in ways that drag everybody down. We've made it clear from the beginning. DIGITALAX is about building decentralized tooling and mechanisms in code so creators, collectors, and consumers can participate directly in commerce, coordination, and the unbundling of fashion from gate-kept supply chains. We've been able to grow a community and ecosystem that genuinely values that mission, but this industry is still volatile, it's still immature. If you're here because you understand how deeply broken the current models are, how textiles, content, and culture are manipulated through extractive infrastructures, and you're ready to contribute to an alternative, then you're in the right place. But if you're here for a quick flip or passive ROI, go to the stock market or Vegas. We don't give financial advice, but we do offer frameworks for creator monetization, insights into protocol design, and hard-earned lessons from building in the chaos. If you really want to leverage, and you usually want leverage in this space, start learning the basics of computing history. Use ChatGPT, run your own LLMs, learn to code, because if you're serious about life-changing autonomy, that's the actual entry point.